Hello everyone, welcome to this amazing channel of Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya, and I'll be your host and those for the paper discussion of your LTC MPL Chemistry Weekend Test 90. So let's get started, guys. The first question that came in this examination was regarding benzene. False statement is false statement. It cannot decolorize Bayer's reagent. That is true. It undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction readily. That is true. Okay, so this statement is true. Again, this statement is true. CC bond length is 141.5 picometer. That is false. It is around 139 picometer. Okay, due to resonance. It is not equal to single bond and is certainly not equal to double bond as well. It is between them. Okay, it undergoes free radical addition reaction with chlorine in the presence of sunlight. Okay, that is also true. So the only statement that is false is C. So out of this, option number 2 will be the best answer. Okay, so option number 2 is the best answer. 52. The dihedral angle of hydrogen peroxide in gas phase and solid phase is X and Y respectively. Correct relationship between them. So in gas phase, X, the dihedral angle, if I am not mistaken, is 111.5 degree, whereas in solid phase it is around 90.2 degree or 91.2 degree. In any which way, can I say that X is greater than Y? Right? So we'll go with option number 1. Okay. Next, 53. Molarity of peroxide solution is 2 molar. Volume strength of this solution is equal to. So molarity and volume strength is related as molarity will be equal to volume strength by 11.2. So volume strength over here will be equal to molarity, that is 2 into 11.2. That is equal to how much? 22.4. So volume strength is what? 22.4 volume. Okay, that is 53. 54. Aromatic compound readily undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. Yes. Correct decreasing order of reactivity towards electrophilic substitution reaction of this compound is. So electrophilic substitution reaction, we know that electron donating group increases the rate of reactivity, whereas electron withdrawing group decreases the rate of electrophilic substitution reaction. So electron donating group, this is donating, and this is withdrawing. So it is EWG, whereas it is EDG. Okay, this is also what? EDG. So if I talk about electron donating group, this donate via resonance or mesomeric effect, you can say. Here it is hyperconjugation. So this will be the maximum. Okay, it will increase the electron substitution reaction, speed of substitution reaction at the maximum level according to this. So 4 will be the best one. So option 3 can be eliminated. After 4 comes 1. So after 4 comes 1, we'll go with option number 2. So 54, option number 2 is the best answer. Which of the following is incorrect for the storage of H2O2? It should be kept in a dust-free plastic or Teflon coated with glass bottle. That is true. We need to go for incorrect, but this is correct. It should be stored away from sunlight. That is certainly true. For medical use, H2O2 is preserved by adding alcohol or glycerol, and for the other purposes, we can add acetonilide, urea or phosphoric acid. True. It is preserved easily in alkaline medium. False. We'll go with this. It is unstable in alkaline medium. Okay. So that is false. 56. Nitration of toluene. Okay. Toluene is what? pH CH3. And this CH3 is electron donating group. That means activating group. That means ortho and para position. So both ortho and para position. That is option number 4. 57. Alkane, this is nothing but hexane. It's heated in the presence of chromium oxide at 10 to 20 atmospheric pressure, will give you X. That means an alkane, that is C6, will get converted to C6H6, that is benzene. And then it is treated with propyl chloride. It undergoes what? Friedel-Crafts alkylation, where you will form a carbocation and this carbocation will rearrange. So ultimately it will be isopropyl benzene. It will be what? Isopropyl benzene, something like this. So option number 3 suits best over here. Okay. 58. The correct order of boiling point is, so here you can see water, heavy water and peroxide. So peroxide will have highest boiling point first of all. So where is peroxide? we can eliminate this thing, we can eliminate this thing. After peroxide, it is heavy water, and the least boiling point is what? Of water. So we'll go with option number 2. Okay. 59. IUPAC name of compound X in the following reaction. So if I do this particular reaction, it is Friedel-Crafts acylation. C, double bond O, CH3. So this carbon atom, it is what? Eth. Carbon to carbon single bond is ane, and it is ketone, so ethanol. So it is 1-phenyl ethanol. Do we have 1-phenyl? Yes, we have 1-phenyl ethanol. Option number 4 will be the best answer. 60. The number of coordinated water molecules in CuSO4 is CuSO4.5H2O is 4. Is how much? 4. That is Cu. Okay. H2O 4 times. This is how we can represent complex. So 4 are coordinated and 1 is water of crystallization. So we'll go with option number 4. 61. The reagent used in Clark process for the removal of hardness of water is sodium hydroxide. False. It is calcium hydroxide, that is slaked lime. Okay. Deionized water is not potable, that is true. So this is incorrect and this is correct. So statement 1 is incorrect, statement 2 is correct. We'll go with option number 3. 62. The formula of Calgon is Na. Oh, sorry. Wait. The formula of Calgon is Na. PO3 6 times. You can take this thing, or Na6 P6 O18, or you can take Na2 Na4 PO3 6 times. So this is the several representation of Calgon. So it has to be 6, not the right answer. Na2 Na4 PO3 6 goes with this. So that means 62 is the right answer. Aluminium is certainly not present in Calgon, so we can easily eliminate this thing. Here it has to be 6, so we can eliminate, and hence option number 2 is the best answer. 63. Ethine heated at 600 degrees Celsius in the presence of copper will give you benzene. Okay. And treated with concentrated H2SO4, that is fuming concentrated H2SO4, so it will give you benzene sulfonic acid, that is PH SO3H. PH SO3H. Will go with option number 2. Okay. 64. The packing efficiency of face center cubic cell FCC. The packing center of FCC is how much? 74%. Whereas you have to remember this thing. It will be great if you remember the values. And BCC is around 68% around, mostly if my knowledge serves me right. And simple cubic unit cell is around 52%. Okay. So we'll go with 74% FCC. Okay. 65. The total volume of atoms present in face center cube. Total volume of atoms. So basically total atoms that are present is, total atom if I talk about, it is 4. How it is 4? There are the atoms are at corners. So there are 8 corners and the contribution is 1/8. Okay. Plus there are 6 faces and the contribution is 1/3. So it is how much? 3 2 are 6 and here it is 1. Okay, the total weight. There are 6 faces and the contribution is 1/2. Sorry, not 1/3, 1/2. So it is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, and volume of one atom. Okay, volume of one atom is equal to what? How much? It is 4/3 pi r cube. That is volume of a sphere. And 4 atom will be 4 4 the 16. 16/3 pi r cube. This will be the answer. Okay. 66. All axial distances are unequal, as well as all axial angles are unequal. That is A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Okay. Alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma. Okay. And out of that thing, the best thing that suits is triclinic. Okay. Option number 3. 67. The number of lattice point per unit cell in BCC and end center orthorhombic lattice respectively is. For BCC, okay, it is 9. How it is 9? The lattice point is present at 8 corners and 1 at body center. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. For end center, okay, for end center also there are 8 corners. Okay, and any two opposite faces will have what? Lattice point. So that is 2. So 9 and 10. 9 and 10 will go with option number 2. Okay. 68. Among the following, highest melting point is associated with graphite. Okay, highest is associated with what? Graphite. 68, option number 2. 69. The density of a crystal is given by mz aq into n naught, or Avogadro's number. So that is mz. Option number 3. That is what? Option number 3. 70. A compound having element x and y crystallizes in a cubic structure. Okay, cubic structure where x is present in corner and y is present in center. So x is present in corner. So there are 8 corners. Contribution is 1 by 8. 1 is present in the center and its contribution is 1. So that is equal to how much? This is what? 1 and this is 1. So this is x plus only y, that is xy. We'll go with option 1. Okay. 71. 1 bromobutane. 1 bromo. It is something like this. Okay. 1 bromo 2 methyl butane. So this is bromo. 1 bromo 2 methyl butane. And 1 bromo 3 methyl butane. So this is the structure. Correct the increasing order of reactivity of SN2. Increasing order. So first of all, the highest will be A. The highest will be A. According to this thing, the highest is A. Highest is A. That means we can cancel out option 3 and option 4. Why? Because it is 1 degree. And the lowest, as the branching keeps on happening, the lowest will be B. The lowest is B. Will go with option number 1. Okay. So that is option number 1. Okay. Number of chiral center in DDT. What is DDT? Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. So its structure is something like this. Okay, so if we'll see there is no chiral center, we'll go with option number 4. Okay. 73. A crystal system has an axial set of has a following set of axial edge length and axial angle, that is this and this. The possible crystalline solid could be, so A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C, but their angles are same, and the angle is same, length is not same. It reminds me of orthorhombic structure. It reminds me of what? Orthorhombic structure, and out of all, only S8 has rhombic structure. So we'll go with option number 3. Okay. 74. RCl or RBr, NaI gives you Ri. Finkelstein reaction, Finkelstein reaction, acetone is the solvent over here. True. NaCl and NABr is the byproduct which is insoluble in dry acetone and facilitates the forward reaction. True. So both are true. We'll go with option number 1. 75. NBS, it is for what? NBS is for what? Allylic substitution. So either here you will get bromine. Okay, let me draw the structure over here. Okay, you can get bromine over here, or you can get bromine over here, because these are allylic carbon. And for A part, you can easily see it is an halogenation reaction. Okay, so you'll get bromine like this. So just eliminate this thing. Okay, let me just rub out that thing clearly. His product is over here. Okay, so what is the best option? A is dibromo and B is allyl. This is not allyl. Both are gone, so double bond should be there, and A is certainly not this, so we'll go with option number 1. Okay. The most reactive towards aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction is most reactive here. Option number 2 and 4 are same, but irrespective of that, option number 3 will be the best answer. Okay, option number 3 will be the best answer, even if I have to select that thing. Okay. 77. OH halo group on benzene is deactivating, orthopara directing. True. Reactivity is controlled by inductive effect, and orientation is by resonant effect. True. Both are true. Okay. 78. Correct order of SN1 reaction mechanism is 3 degree, 2 degree. True. 1 degree, sorry, 2 degree, 1 degree, true. Okay, it is methyl, it is ethyl, true. So that means all are correct. We'll go with option number 4. We'll go with what? Option number 4. 79. Arrange the following in the increasing order of their intermolecular forces. Increasing order of their intermolecular forces. Out of all three, the highest intermolecular forces will be in nylon. So highest is A, C, B, C. So this is not the answer, this is not the answer, this is not the answer. And hence this will be the best answer. Okay. 80. The biodegradable polymer nylon 2 nylon 6 is formed by the condensation of glycine and omega amino coproic acid. Okay, that is 6 amino hexanoic acid. So omega amino coproic acid. So that option 2 will be the best answer. 81. The average molecular mass and the weight average molecular mass is this. So number average Mn bar. Okay, Mn bar is how much? 30,000. And weight average molecular mass is how much? 40,000. What they have asked? PDI. So PDI, polydiphosphate index, is equal to what? MW by Mn. That is 40,000 by 30,000. So this is certainly greater than 1. So we'll go with greater than 1. Okay. 82. Which of the following is an example of thermoplastic? Okay. Bakelite is thermostatic. Okay. Buna S is a rubber. Neoprene. Okay. So out of all this thing, the best answer that I can select is what? What do we say? PVC. Okay. This is bakelite, so it is thermostat. Buna S, it will get decomposed. It's a rubber. Neoprene, again it's a rubber, it will get decomposed. So the best answer is PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride, which can be reused. Thermoplastic, that means which can be reused. So we'll go with option number 3. Phenol, match the following. Phenol formaldehyde, A is 2. Okay, phenol formaldehyde, bakelite, A is 2. So option number 2 is not the right answer. Option number 4 is the right answer. Terephthalic acid or ethylene glycol is stearin. So B is 4. B is 4. B is 4. So we'll go with option number 3. Okay, this is not the right answer. Okay. 84. Which of the following is a chain growth polymer? Okay. Chain growth of polymer means what? In which no elimination takes place. Nucleic acid takes place by condensation. Polystyrene is an addition polymerization. That will be the answer. Protein again condensation. Nylon again condensation. So best answer is option number 2. 84. Which of the following statement about pterylene is not correct? Okay. Again, you have to fixate on the pterylene are correct. Okay. You have to fixate in what? The correct statement. So let us start with the correct statement. It is a polyester. True. It is obtained by the reaction between ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. True. It is a condensation polymer. True. It is a natural polymer. False. So ABC is true. So we'll go with option number 3. Okay. 86. Decomposition of hydrogen peroxide can be accelerated by adding platinum metal into it. So option number 2. Number of metal bonds in Decacartony manganese. So manganese, what structure, what I remember is it is like this. Mn2O10, carbonyl CO10 mostly. So this is CO. Everywhere it is CO, 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 CO. Okay, clear. So number of metal bonds in decacarbonyl dimanganese is 0. Metal bond is 1. Metal bond is what? 1. Okay. Next, hybridization in iron pentacarbonyl FeCO5. It is a strong field ligand, so it will force what? It will force what? Sparing, and since it forces sparing, its hybridization will be DSP3, total 5, D1, 2, DSP2 mostly. Wait, it is 5, so 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, DSP3. Okay, so answer has to be what? DSP3. Clear? Now, oxidation state of nickel in nickel tetracarbonyl. It's a neutral ligand, it is 0. Okay. 90. Hydrogen resembles alkali metals in all the following property except Auto-electronic configuration, yes, so not the right answer. Gets liberated or deposited at cathode, yes, not the right answer. Gets liberated or deposited at anode, okay, this is not the right answer, okay, except this. So we'll go with option number 3. Clear? Sure. Next. Hydrogen peroxide is considered as a parent of peroxo compounds. Regarding hydrogen peroxide, false statement is, okay, what we have to fixate is what? False statement. It is a non-linear, non-planar molecule. True. It contains both polar and non-polar bonds. True. It does not contain acidic hydrogen atoms. False. It contains acidic hydrogen. That is true. There are 2 acidic hydrogens into it. Okay. 92. H2O2 cannot be prepared by addition of ice cold H2SO4. Yes, we can prepare it. Aerial oxidation of 2-ethyl alkyl, we can prepare it. Addition of ice cold H2SO4 with lead oxide. Lead oxide is not peroxide, so definitely we cannot prepare from here. So we'll go with option number 3. So this cannot be prepared. And last one, electrolysis of acidified 50% H2SO4. Yes, we can prepare from this thing. So cannot be prepared is option number 3. Okay. Now statement. Aniline is a heterocyclic compound. Okay. Aniline is a what? Heterocyclic compound, and aniline is an aromatic. It is certainly an aromatic, but certainly it is not an heterocyclic compound. We'll go with option number 3. This is right and this is wrong. IUPAC name of monomer of nylon 6,6. Okay, nylon 6,6, it is NH2, CH2, NH2. So it is 1,6 hexadiamine. Okay, so hexane 1,6 diamine, hexane 1,6 diamine, hexane 1,6 diamine. Okay, and then COOH, CH2 4 times, and then COH. This is hexanoic acid, hexane 1,6 dioic acid. So option number 4 is the best answer. 95. Atom X in CCP arrangement. CCP arrangement, that means what? FCC arrangement. Atom Y occupy octahedral voids. The formula of the compound is. So in FCC, okay, in FCC we know that there are total how many atoms? 4 atoms. Okay, so there are 4 atoms, that is equal to what? X is equal to 4. X4. Y occupies octahedral voids. Okay, for every atom there is 1 octahedral voids. Okay, that means octahedral voids is how much? 4. That means Y is equal to what? 4. So can I say its equation is what? X4, Y4, that is equal to what? XY. X4, Y4 or XY? We have XY. So we'll go with option number 2. Okay. Next. Ligand which can form both sigma bonds and pi bonds with metals are called pi acid ligands. Okay. 97. Bonding of ligand with metal in which it shows sigma and pi bond is especially called synergic bonding. So that is synergic bonding. Okay. 98. In metal carbonyl complexes, the metal which act as in metal carbonyl complex, the metal will act as metal carbonyl. It accepts as a donor and acts as an acceptor and donor both. It acts as an acceptor and donor both. We'll go with option number 4. Okay. The number of bridge carbon monoxide absorbed in CO8. Let's draw its structure. CO. Okay. This is monoxide and this is the structure. Oh wait, I am drawing small. It is carbon monoxide, right? Carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide. So if you can see, there are 2 bridge bonding. So we'll go with option number 2. Okay. 100. Pi acid ligands accept electron pair from metals mainly in the molecular orbital pi star. Okay, they forms pi bonding, right? That's why we have pi acid. Clear? So that 100 is option number 4. So guys, with this thing we have completed the discussion of the entire question that came in your examination. But still, if you have any doubts, any difficulties, then I'll be waiting for your comments in the comment section. With this thing guys, thank you so very much for joining. Take care. God bless you all. We'll meet next time soon. Take care.